We'll talk about operations on functions. Let f and g be defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus 10 and g of x is equal to x plus 5. So we start with addition on functions. This is denoted by f plus g of x equals 2x plus 10 plus x plus 5. So here we just simply remove the parentheses. So we have 2x plus 10 plus x plus 5. Then combining like terms, 2x plus x is 3x, then 10 plus 5 equals 15. So we have the sum 3x plus 15. Next we have subtraction on functions, denoted by f minus g of x. So equals 2x plus 10 minus x plus 5. So we remove the parenthesis 2x plus 10, then minus x minus 5. Then combining like terms, 2x minus x is x, then 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is x plus 5. Next is multiplication on functions, denoted by f times g of x equals 2x plus 10 times x plus 5. If you'll notice, we have two binomials, so we can apply here the FOIL method. FOIL method stands for the first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. So we have the first terms multiply, 2x times x is 2x squared. Then outer terms, 2x times 5 is 10x. Then inner terms, 10 times x is positive 10x. Then the last terms, 10 times 5 is 50. Then combining like terms, so we have 2x squared. We can combine positive 10x and positive 10x, so we have positive 20x, then add 50. So we have the product 2x squared plus 20x plus 50. The last operation is division on functions, denoted by f over g of x equals 2x plus 10 over x plus 5. If you'll notice, our numerator is factorable. It can be factored into 2 times x plus 5. Okay, divided by the denominator, we have x plus 5. So here we can use the cancellation rule. We can cancel out x plus 5. So what is left is our numerator, which is 2. Therefore our quotient is 2.